Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, this time we're going to do a technique that I did use before, but a long time ago, but I never did film it. That was well before I ever thought about doing something on YouTube. We're going to use a wax paper. We're going to put our acrylic on the wax paper, then we're going to add our canvas. We're going to put quite a good quantity of acrylic because I wanted to have a good build-up and to do some more figure in it. So you're going to see that's very interesting, I should say, and it's something to try. It's a bit messy, well, depending on how you go about it. So guys, let's go and see what happens. Well guys, another one done. I think, well, I hope you're going to agree with me that this technique is kind of wonderful. It's crazy, all the details it made. And again, the cells, just to show you that we don't have to use silicone or white glue or whatever to do some cells. Yes, of course, sometimes it can be best, but I think we can have the same kind of effect without cells, just depending on how you go about it. You know, when you only use water and acrylic, the thing to remember is you have to create some oxygen, or some bubble if you want, in your acrylic. So that's what is going to give you some cells and the work between all kind of paint. If you only put one color of acrylic, it won't do that much bubbles or cell if you want, because the reason is simple. The reason about it is that every color has different density. That's why it works differently when they get together. So guys, like always, I hope you did like it. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope that you're gonna try it, because yes, it's a bit messy, but I think the result, you cannot achieve the same result with another technique. If you want, and we can do it over and over and always achieving something different. So, and most of the time, always looks great. So guys, I hope you enjoy. I hope, like I said, you're going to try it. And like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. Take care guys. See you on the next video. Bye.